This word in Kikuyu language has two meanings. Kugeria. Kugeria. Number one is to try. Kugeria, to try. Second meaning is to pass through, to pass something through somewhere. Kugeria. And by the way, someone may also say kugereria. Kugereria, which is also okay. I have two examples for you. Number one, nedageria. Nedageria kunywa mai. I have tried to drink water. Nedageria kunywa mai. Number two, dageria muithikiri ja ya nyumba ya soso. Dageria muithikiri ja wa nyumba ya soso. Means I passed the bicycle outside grandma's house. I passed the bicycle outside grandma's house. And by the way, someone may also say kugereria. Kugereria. Kugereria meaning to also to pass something through somewhere. Kugereria. So, dagereria muithikiri ja wa nyumba ya soso. Also, kugereria means trying for someone. Trying for. So, like, I tried the car for dad. I tried the car for dad. The dagereria for dad. I tried, or just give me another example of the dagereria. I tried for someone.